Hey, this is Gore with Home Smart Connect with a foreclosure property in Chicago. This is in Chicago's Edison Park neighborhood. It's a Chicago 2-flat foreclosure in Edison Park. I'm going to walk you through here. Those are the stairs that go up. We'll go up there in a little bit. You walk into the first unit here on the first floor, to the living room with a fireplace. Nice little tandem room off of the living room here. This looks like they were using it as a dining room here. Kitchen. Another dining area here in the kitchen. This property does need work, of course. It is a foreclosure. No electricity, so you can't really see the bathroom here, but there's the bathroom. This unit has one bedroom. The square footage on this property's got plenty to rework and make into two bedroom, but right now it's currently 3 bedrooms total. This is off of the back porch here area. The back exit. Go around to the front again to go check out the unit on the second floor. Making it into the second floor here. Off to the left is what I would guess to be the dining room, but this could easily be used as a bedroom as well. A huge bedroom. Because you'll see there's another, what looks to be a living room off to the side here. Here's for sure a bedroom that's right now with its own closet. Again, very big. This is a brick building, a brick Chicago 2-flat. This here is would be probably the living room. This is a HUD foreclosure that is available. 203K financing is available for this property. Kitchen. Insured with escrow. If you want to know what that means, text me at any time at 773-273-9155 for more information on how to purchase a HUD foreclosure. This is open to all bidders right now at this time. So if you're an investor, you could bid on this one as well. There's a little bonus storage room, I guess, here. That first floor, that back porch area. The exit, there is a 2-car garage in the back. This will be to the basement. Haven't been down here yet. There's no power again, so I don't know how much is going to be able to be seen here. If I could get my phone flashlight to work. Again, if you have any questions on this property, you could text me at 773-273-9155. Not much of a basement here. That's a crawl space underneath the rest of the house. So this would just be, I guess, essentially a laundry room and a furnace room. It's a big boiler for the whole building. Height wise, you're probably looking at just about 6.5 feet, so there's not much height here. But definitely you could make storage lockers or whatever in here. Again, this property is located in Edison Park. Chicago 2 flat foreclosure, HUD property, open to all bidders at this time. The auction is held daily, so you have to submit your paperwork every day. If it's available on the site, it hasn't been sold yet. Once it's not on the site anymore, it's gone. I'm assuming this one's going to go quick, even though there's that garage. 2-car garage and a little side drive. Not much of a yard, but for investment property, that doesn't really matter. Again, if you're interested in this property, text me at 773-273-9155. Again, the name is Goran with HomeSmart Connect. Thanks for watching the video, and text me if you want more info on where the exact location. Well, price is $410 on it, so it's $410,000, which is a great price, of course, for Edison Park. Does need work, as you can see. The kitchen, there's no flooring. Get in here and make it two bedrooms, and you could rent an Edison Park easily for 15 to 16. I mean, if it's all done up real nice, I mean, I could see getting even $1,800 for each unit, easily for this area. So go ahead and text me at that number if you want more info on the address and make a showing. It's vacant. It'll be private showings, one at a time, of course. And text me for that info. Text me your info, and I'll get you all the information you need on this property. Thanks.